Hello programmers. In today's class we are going to talk about order by clause in SQL. First of all, whenever we execute a select query, the resulting rows emerges in the pre-decided order. That is the order we have inserted those rows. But we can sort the result in a specified order using the order by clause. So the order by statement in SQL is used to sort the fetch data in either ascending order or descending order and according to one or more column. That means you can display your data in alphabetical order in case of characters, or in case of numbers you can arrange it from highest to lowest or from lowest to highest. And you can even sort more than one column while displaying the data. How we can sort more than one column, we are going to see this in our video later on. But let us see the syntax of our order by clause. The syntax is, we use select of course, and the column list, that means the column names we separated with commas, from and the table name. Now giving this where condition is optional. That means if you want to give any condition before sorting, you can give the condition using the where clause. So where comes first and after that comes the order by clause. Order by, and then you have to give the name of the column which you want to arrange in ascending order or descending order. So the words you are seeing inside the square bracket are optional. That means giving condition is optional and giving order by clause is optional. But if you want to arrange your column in ascending or descending order, you have to use order by and then you have to use the name of your column. You can even sort more than one column by separating it with commas. We will see this through practical. But you have to remember one thing, that the default sorting is, or the default arrangement is in ascending order, that is from highest to the lowest. So by default the order by sorts the data in ascending order, and we can use the keyword DESC to sort the data in descending order and keyword ASC to sort it in ascending order. But as I told you, ascending order is a default order. So even if you do not give any ascending or descending keyword, it will sort in an ascending order. But if you want to sort it in descending order, you have to write DESC. This DESC is different from describe command. That is, describe and the table name will describe the structure of your table. But this DESC, after the column name, will arrange it in descending order. Now let us see the practical. Just remember one thing before sorting, that is, the data in the table is not sorted. Only the result that appears on the screen is sorted. Now I'll use my database Shrivala, which I have earlier made it. I'll use my table EMP. Now I'll sort the data in the alphabetical order of the employee name. So I'll use select and then the column names, or star if you want to display all the columns, but here I want to display only few columns. For example, I'll display employee ID, employee name, salary and department number. So I'll type my column which is employee ID. After that I want to display the department number, so I'll type here department number, and then I'll use e-name, so e-name and salary. I want to display only these four columns, and then from and the table name which is EMP. Now after this you have to use order by, order and then give a space and by, and the name of your column which you want to sort. So I want to display the names in alphabetical order and in ascending order. So I'll use order by e-name, and as I told you, ascending order is by default, so I don't have to type ASC, it will be sorted in ascending order only. So you can see earlier it was Amit, Ashutosh, Nilesh, Tanishka, Ruchi and Prashant. Now it is Amit, Ashutosh, Nilesh, Prashant, Ruchi and then Tanishka. If you want to arrange it in descending order, just type instead of ascending, instead of not mentioning anything, just type DESC and then it will be displayed in reverse order. Now let us see it for our salary column. I'll use the same columns here. Then I will type order by and the name of my column is SALARY salary, and then if you want to arrange in ascending, just type ASC or no need to type anything, and if you want to arrange in descending, type DESC. So here we have seen how we can arrange our table in ascending or descending order. Now let us see how we can arrange it by giving condition also. That means I want to give some condition also and then I want to sort it. So what I'll do is I'll use same column names and then I'll type where clause, where, and then I want to arrange my employee ID. I want to display the data of employee ID greater than maybe 103, and then after this I want to sort it by the name. So I'll give here e name. So as you can see here, what I have done is I wanted to display the ID which are greater than 103. So greater than 10, I have not typed greater than equal to, otherwise it would have given 103 also. And so it's displaying for 104, 105 and 106, and that is in which order? The order of the name I have taken order of the name. So P will come first and then R and then T.